How to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. So if you want to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your MetaTrader 5 and sign into your account. Now once you are in, click on the settings, which will be in the bottom, or go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings. After that you will have brokers option, or just simply go with search and then search for a company or a server name. So you just need to simply search for BTC. It should show you the Binance option, which you can simply click and log in with your Binance account. But if I remove this, then let me tell you that in some countries it's not regulated yet. They may not feature brokerage companies, so you need to make sure to keep this in mind. And also some companies might not be available in each and every region. So if you cannot find this, that means that it's not available in your region. Otherwise, you can simply go on and click on that particular BTC, and you'll be able to see something like Binance, and you'll be able to add that. That's how you can connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.